channel. This is a glow inspired tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I like Snapchat. I like Snapchat. So this is glow inspired. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe below. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'm using my Morphe palette. I think it's 345 or 35. I'll plug the link or the name in the description box. Okay. I'm gonna use the light purple, which it has like a little shimmer in it. I'm going in with the eyeliner, and I only go in with eyeliner because of the eyelashes, because I want it to look like a more natural look. Also, I'm using my CoverGirl foundation and I'm pressing it into my face, not blot or sliding it, because you wipe off the makeup when you do that. What's an eye look without concealer? Now I'm going back under the eye with the same shimmery purple from the Morphe palette, whatever.
From
Well, that concludes my glow tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you haven't went to go watch Glow on Netflix, go ahead and watch Glow on Netflix. It's a really good show. And they have like a lot going on. And it's based in the 80s, which is one of my favorite times. I was born in the 80s. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe below. And if you already did not like the video, go ahead and like the video. Also, go ahead and comment some videos or tutorials that you guys want me to do. I do hair and nails and makeup looks, so whatever you guys want to see, I could try it out. But we're just gonna pretend like I didn't mess up my hair. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.